go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hey guys, and here we go. We're back with another one. So this wig again came from Amazon, and it's pretty much everything that came in the box. Of course, the paperwork on how to care for the wig. And this wig was a 14-inch like a honey blind wig, and it was a 13x6x1 wig, meaning you can only part this wig down the middle. So if you do not like a middle part, then this wig is not for you. Now you guys know, in most of my videos that I've been uploading, I have been using the knot healer, and this pretty much prevents me from have to bleach my knots. So all I do is spread this all over the wig where the knots are, and spread it evenly throughout the wig, and bam, let it dry, and it's all good to go. And with the wig knot healer, it is water resistant, sweat resistant, and also smudge resistant. So yeah, once I do that, then I am going to go in and cut this wig because I didn't like how the 14-inch looked. So I kind of wanted to cut it into a short bob. So I'm pretty much using my clippers to give it like a really clean cut bob. So yeah, so you guys continue to watch, see me cut this, and I'll come back to flat iron it afterwards. Okay guys, so right now I'm just trying to finishing up with the flat ironing, and also off camera I'm gonna go in and give it another clean cut with the clippers. But next, you guys, you know, we're gonna get into installing this wig. So to install this wig, you guys, I definitely didn't use much. This wig was completely glueless. All I did was pretty much use some got to be spray to actually secure this wig. But right now, you guys, as usual, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off this wig. And you guys, I didn't really do much with this wig. All I did was cut it into a bob. As you can see, I didn't really pluck it or anything because I knew that I was not going to be wearing the hair back. So I didn't even waste my time plucking this wig. I just, you know, tried to make it a easy install. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting the lace off, and I will be back to finish securing this wig down. Okay guys, so as I stated, to secure this wig, I am using the Got To Be freeze spray. And to be honest with you guys, I really didn't have to use the spray because the wig was pretty, secure, but me, I like that extra security. So I just went ahead and put a little got to be freeze spray on it. Then I tied it down for about 10 minutes to let it dry. And yeah, and I came back, took it off, and finished styling the wig. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to take the knot healer and put a little bit in my part just to kind of define it a little more. Even though the part is already defined, I just wanted to define it a little more. And yeah, after that, you guys, I am just pretty much going to take the flat iron and flat iron it a little more. Oh well, the hot comb. And yeah, you guys, once that I am done. And here is the finished look of this honey blind highlighted wig. Definitely let me know what you guys thought of this wig, and what did you think of me cutting this wig into a bob. I appreciate you guys coming back to tune into another hair video of mine. Before I get out of here, definitely make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.